The silent threat: why your smart home needs a next-gen surge protector. Hey, tech flirts. Look around your house. You have got smart locks, smart fridges, and half a dozen gadgets plugged into basic power strips. You think you are protected, right? That little $20 strip guards against a lightning strike, maybe. But today, we are talking about the silent threat that those strips completely miss. The real danger isn't the lightning strike, it's the daily, internal surges that happen every time your AC unit kicks on, your dryer cycles, or your garage door opens. These are small, invisible spikes, and they slowly degrade the sensitive microprocessors in your high-tech gear. It's like death by 1,000 papercuts. Over months and years, these microsurges shorten the lifespan of your smart TV, scramble the data on your server, and prematurely fry your expensive mesh Wi-Fi system. You blame the manufacturer, but the culprit is poor power quality. Standard power strips only protect against massive, catastrophic surges. They are not designed to filter or suppress the constant, low-level noise and voltage spikes generated inside your home's electrical system. They are the bare minimum, not the solution. The modern answer is a whole-house surge protector, WHSP. This device installs directly at your main service panel, becoming the first line of defense for every single outlet and device in your entire home. Think of it this way: your smart home is a beautiful, complex relationship. The power strip is like buying a cheap umbrella for a hurricane. The WHSP is like installing a bunker: it's always on, always ready, and handles the source of the problem. A WHSP protects items that a strip can't touch, built-in appliances like your dishwasher, your furnace, and the expensive electronics embedded in your wall-mounted garage door opener. Everything wired to your panel is instantly safeguarded. This is where the tech gets serious. Modern electrical codes are pushing for enhanced safety, including arc fault circuit interrupters, AFCIs, and ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs. A WHSP works with these systems to ensure total safety and longevity. While a WHSP installation costs more than a strip, compare that cost to replacing a $1,500 refrigerator control board or a $2,000 gaming rig. It pays for itself the first time it prevents a major failure. It's an investment in peace of mind. When choosing one, look for a high joules rating, that's its capacity to absorb energy, and check the OL certification. This isn't a DIY job. Hire a licensed electrician to install it properly for maximum safety and code compliance. The technology you love deserves the best protection. Stop flirting with disaster and commit to real surge protection. Your smart home is too smart, and too expensive, to leave vulnerable to the silent threat. Have you checked your panel lately? Let me know in the comments if you have gone whole house. Next week, we are diving into the secret power saving mode hidden in your router. Don't miss it.